Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the back cover on a Dell G3 version 3779. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First unscrew, then use fingers to pry apart and remove base cover. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Next, disconnect display cable. Now unscrew and disconnect wireless card. Then unscrew and lift left hinge. Now unscrew and lift right hinge. Now separate display assembly from palmrest. Now use fingers to separate and remove bezel. Now unscrew and turn over screen. Then disconnect and remove screen. Now unscrew and remove display hinges. Now disconnect display cable. Then remove web camera. The remaining piece is the back cover. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.